Hi guys, in this video I will share with you how to switch to Pro version Binance. What you need to do, first just go to Binance app and be sure that you log in your account. After that you click in your profile icon on the top left and you can see here Binance LITE. Just click here to switch. Yeah, it's already switched now to the Pro. This is what you need to do if you want to switch to Pro version on Binance. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.